Hello, this video is for teachers only. It's to provide instructions on using the genetic drift conceptual model and genetic drift mathematical model. Both are designed to simulate drift, that is, where the traits are randomly passed to offspring. So let's start by rolling the dice. The dice correspond to rows, and based on these rolls and the rows, it tells us who gets to move to the next round. So in this case, the number 2 ferret, one number 2 ferret will move to the next round, 2 number 4s, and then 2 number 5s. So I'll go up here to the number 2 and I'll click once and I'll add it at the top, and I'll start always from the top to the bottom. We have 2 number 4s and then 2 number 5s. Then we roll the dice again, and it looks like we have a number 1, a 3, 4, 4, and 5. So with this one we have 1, 2, 3 5s moving forward, 1 4, and then 1 2. So let's go with the 2, then the 4, and then the 5s. Okay, roll the dice again. We got 3, 5, 3, 2, and 1. So we have 3 number 5s, 1 number 4, and 1 number 2. Roll again. Number 1. So now we have 3 5s and 2 2s. Roll again. Okay, so here we have all 5s left, so we'll just put 5 of those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have reached fixation. And the next step is to enter the password to see what was fixated on, which is ABC 1, 2, 3. Enter. And it appears that the ferrets were fixated on smaller limbs. Now let's move to the mathematical model. Now the mathematical model is similar to the conceptual model in that it will let you put in any initial population that you want to. With this model, you start off with an initial population of 5. So for example, I can go over here and put in 5, and in this case, it looks like it will take 23 generations to get to fixation. And that's another point about this model. Each person will be different. Each group will be different. And it's actually possible to go past 8 different rounds based on this model. But it'll vary because it's all random. So over here, my initial population of 5, I could put in an initial population of 10. And in this case, with initial population of 10, it randomly fixated after 6 generations. Now this model is based on the random variables within Excel. So if I go to Formulas, Calculate Now, it will calculate every time I click it a new generation. And it's completely random. Now the math associated with this is on the mathematical model page, and I actually have 3 simulations built in, but I'm only showing 1, and so you can add to it if you want to. The password to get to be able to edit this particular model is also ABC123. So this is where you put in your initial population, like you say an initial population of 100, and then you can look and see how many generations it takes to get to fixation. And it goes up to 10,000. And this is the only cell you have to be worried about. So let's put in 1,000. And it looks like it's going to be 2,379 generations to get to fixation. So here are the organisms associated with the activity, and I guess that's it. Thank you.